यथा संहरते चायं कूर्मोऽङ्गानीव सर्वश इन्द्रियाणीन्द्रियार्थेभ्य तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता. Here, Lord Krishna is introducing a man who is established in his self. We, common people, ordinary people, we are established in our mind. Some among us are established in their intellect. But a man who reached the summit of excellence, he is established in his self. It is a matter of identification. The animals, especially the inferior animals, they identify with their bodies. For example, a cat, you can shout at that cat. But after that, if you just give it a piece of fish, it will come back. It will come back and eat it. It is not bothered about your mind, about your shouting, about your abusing it. Same with a dog. You can throw stones at that. But when you offer it a piece of bone, it is very happy, it will wag its tail and come to you. For them, their body is important. They don't think how this person is behaving, how this person is giving. But a man is different. A man is basically his mind. And I may be very hungry, but if you give me food with contempt, and in an unclean vessel or plate, even though I am very hungry, I may not be able to accept it because I live in my mind. I am identifying with my mind. Some people identify with their intellect. They will interpret, that man is behaving like that. No problem. I must understand that. Again, among us, there are a few who are established in their self. Here, Lord Krishna, he gives us the qualifications of a self-established person. He is comparing that person to a tortoise. The habit of a tortoise. Tortoise, we know, a poor creature, harmless one. When it is meeting with an enemy, it has nothing to do except withdrawing its limbs to a shell. It doesn't have pointed teeth. It doesn't have strong limbs. It cannot stand and fight its enemies, but instead, it has got that protection, that hard shell. And the tortoise withdraws its limbs to that shell. That is how it is escaped from the enemies. The enemy can come, toss it, try to break it, but the shell is very hard. It is unbreakable. Similarly, a person who is established in his self, he must treat this mentality towards the external objects. There are many sense objects outside. They try to enter us through the sense organs that we possess, through our eyes, and through our ears, nose. But this man is refusing entry to them. Whenever there is an attempt from the external objects to enter in, this man is withdrawing. Is moving away from that place, like how a tortoise is withdrawing its limbs to the hard shell. The reason is this: a man who is established in his self, he is not depending upon anything outside. It does not require any external dependence. He is happy, he is contented, satisfied within himself. That's why this man is known as a self established man. Nothing in this world is going to attract him, nothing in this world is going to cause him any harm. So, whenever there are enemies outside in the form of sense objects, this man withdraws to his own self, refusing entry to theirs. So, this is the qualification. This is not out of fear or something like that. It is because this man does not want anything to make him complete. He feels himself is complete. It doesn't require any external object to make him happy. So he says no to the enticing attractions outside. So a man who is established in himself must be like that. He must be like a tortoise which is withdrawing the limbs when the enemies come. Here what happens? When the external objects are there outside trying to enter him, this man is refusing to give them entry. This man is going away from the scene. So a man who is established in the self is like that. Many other qualifications are there, but this is one of the prominent ones. Thank you. Thank you very much.